Opening night of the River of Lights shined some light on some problems with the park and ride, taking guests from the zoo to the Botanic Gardens. Organizers are now making changes. News 13's Marilyn Upchurch is live at the park and ride with details.
Some viewers told us they waited over an hour last night to catch a ride that only takes 5 minutes.
We do acknowledge that something happened last night where we were a bit short with buses. We've already made adjustments and ordered more buses, especially for our busier evenings.
The Biopark Society says it was a great opening night with 5,800 visitors. And while they did what they could to avoid traffic, like encouraging guests to take the park and ride, which gives guests a free ride from the zoo to the Botanic Gardens, but they only had 3 buses for the service, forcing guests to face long wait times. Now they're making some changes. Starting next weekend, there will be at least 5 buses per night. Tonight they only expect 2,000 guests and believe they have enough buses for now. According to the Biopark Society, everyone who used Park and Ride last night was still allowed into the River of Lights, even if they were late to their timed ticket.
So just take your time. Just because you have a ticket that says entry for 6 o'clock, if you get here a little bit after 7 o'clock, we're not going to deny your entry.
Due to the hiccups at Park and Ride, River of Lights was kept open longer last night to make sure visitors had enough time inside for an enjoyable experience. Organizers say if anyone was impacted by Park and Ride last night, to make sure to reach out to them so they can address any issues. You can contact them at riveroflights.org. Back to you.
Okay, thanks, Marilyn. Barry says due to the timed ticketing, they see peak traffic at the top of every hour.